Apple juice yata ito ay na.
Force Factor Hair Growth Accelerator promotes thicker, fuller, healthier hair in just 3 weeks. Hair Growth Accelerator contains a clinically studied key ingredient that quickly accelerates hair growth and reduces fine lines and wrinkles.
Faded.
With crispy, airy wood fire style crust. It's not delivery, it's Dijon. Everyone's trying to
Gising ka pa nang dumating kami, ano? Tama-tama.
Abay di gigising eh.
Gigisingin ka daw?
Oo.
Nasa si Tess.
Si Tess, ayan, oh.
Yet another cute face.
Naanak mo yan, di ba?
Yan.
Ay. Si Jen?
Si Jen.
May pasok mga bata at saka malayo. Eh, na. Saka may pasok si Jen.
Next Friday na.
Baka next time. Next time si Jen. Tanda mo si Jen?
Hindi ko siya.
Okay talaga.
So, tinatanong ni Mace, minsan na, right Mace? You're asking about Lola Aida?
Yeah.
Ha? Sabi niya, she's hoping you're okay daw. Pag naala-ala ka niya.
Thankfully, for saying that.
Thank you daw for saying. You're welcome. You're welcome, Lola. Sino kamukha?
Sino?
What does that mean? What are you saying?
What does he look like?
Oh,
Parang kitang gwapo.
I think Mason looks like me.
Good answer.
Mason looks like me.
Pareho daw silang gwapo.
Brody looks like
Diba? Totoo
Tess.
naman.
Anong gusto mo sa birthday mo?
Anong gusto mo?
Sabi? Hindi makaisip.
Huwag yun, napakamahal. Kailan ka birthday mo?
September 7, 1943.
Yeah, she knows.
Yeah.
19 ano?
1946.
46? So, 80 ka na.
Kaya tayo matanda na nga.
Mas bata ako sa iyo.
Hindi naman. Mas bata gaya na ida.
Sabi na.
Yeah.
Ang inay, di ka ang inay ay birthday kahapon, August 10.
Yeah.
Hindi ka lang nakapagkasama.
Ang kuinola eh. Ang kuinola eh, malapit ka rin ang birthday.
August din ang Quinoli, di ba?
August.
August 15 ang Quinoli.
August 15.
Quinoli yata eh, ilan na? 88 years old ang Quinoli.
Kukuleto.
Oo.
Asulgang kulay.
Mm.
Yun isa pong kukunti yata eh.
Na-drive mo ka, Aida? Pinapag-drive ka ng tatay?
Hindi.
Ayaw.
Kami ayaw kapag driving. Kaya ang ginawa ko, ako'y nagawa ng imitasyon susi. Pagdala nila yung kotse, pag umalis idala ang susi, ay napapaandar ko. Oh.
Paano ka gumawa?
Ha?
Paano ka gumawa?
Basta
Nilagyan ng duplicate
tinortehan ko lang.
Gumawa nga daw ng sulit.
Nakagawa ng susi. Hindi alam yung tatay.
What? You want to?
I can get a dog, but I forgot to.
Forgot to order? How about chicken?
This is Mason. Mason's a sheep.
I grew up with wonton red things.
Yeah.
Right?
Wonton red jumpsuit.
This is Brody. Brody's the pioneer in spirit.
What is a cow?
Yeah. This is Tess.
Sheep. Look like
Tess.
that.
Does that mean I'm new?
This is Mom.
Here, Brody. Brody likes this.
Tiger people
I'll share with
are
everyone.
aggressive.
You have
Mom,
to
you're
share.
aggressive.
I can't reach.
Oh, this
Yes,
is
you-
this is Dad also. Was it 1943, Dad?
Yeah.
1949.
Just like Brody.
Ang ate mo, ano?
Cock.
Who's
Sorry,
the
it's
dog?
Mason.
You are the
Mason's
dog.
a sheep and Dad's a sheep.
I'm the
Brody's a
dog.
cock
Does that mean I'm new?
and Tess is a doggy. And this is Mia.
My sister, my
Snake.
sister is a monkey.
Snake.
My, I'm
Adventurous.
not.
You could choose. What?
I know.
How's your soup, Dad? How's your soup? Good?
Yeah.
Mason said,
Hey, Mason's kissing butt.
sucking up.
Sucking up.
Sucking up to Lolo?
Yeah. Lolo likes that.
How about me?
How old do you think? How old does Yo-Yo look like? 50s?
70s, 50s, and 60s. 70s.
Getting worse.
70?
No, 50s to late 60s. 76. 50s to late 60s.
What about me?
Oh, how do I say?
83.
78.